how to make 3D pop-up effect in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will teach you how you will be able to do this effect that I have just shown you over here. So first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to start with our image over here. So let me delete everything that we have over here on our screen. So there are two things that you need to have first. Of course, you have to have your image over here that you want to have the pop-up effect. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on our elements over here on the left side. And you're going to search for curve in our graphics. And just simply select this curve that I have selected over here. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this into color white. Then we're going to flip this just like this. Going to do a complete flip and put it over here on the top, make it a bit bigger, and just like that. Now copy and paste it, make this one below over here way bigger, as in way bigger, as you can see here. Make sure that it's centered. There we go. And we're going to copy this one over here, turn it a bit, make it a bit smaller, and do this effect. There we go. Adjust a bit our sizing, our corner. There we go. Then copy and paste it on the other side, and we're going to flip it as well, just like that. Now you're going to click on draw and click on the highlighter, click on white over here, and max out everything over here to make your life easier. And let's just color the entire thing over here, the entire background that we have, so that we have a white background except for our cat over here below, the one that we gave some boxes or like curved boxes, so like a frame. There we go. Simply clean out a bit. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on share, click on download, ensure that you select this specific page only so that you don't download a zip. Click on transparent background and click on download, and you should be able to have that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have a new blank page over here. So I have this over here. Let me exit this. I'm going to delete this image first. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a background so it's easier to see. Add in the image that you guys have just downloaded, and you're going to click on background remover so that we could remove this white background over here that you're seeing. And while waiting for that, let's enlarge our photo over here. This. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit. On the edit, you're going to click on our shadows, and you're going to click on outline. We're going to change the color to white. And you could modify the intensity, but we're going to go with white. And we could make it a bit thinner just like that. Now we're going to download this page again. Click on share, click on download, ensure that you're selecting the right page, and click on download just like that. There we go. Now after this, let me delete this page over here for our image. We're going to upload our downloaded image once again. There we go. And we're going to do another background remover, so that we have just this element over here. Background remover. While waiting for that, I'm going to enlarge it. There we go. And we're going to click on edit once again. We're going to click on shadow, and we're going to click on curve. Over here, we could adjust our curve over here. So simply choose the amount of curves that you want to have. So let's say we have this curve over here. Lower this a bit. And now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to upload again your main image. And once again, click on background remover. Now, you're going to resize it so that it looks as large as our original photo that we were modifying since earlier. Then simply align them as much as you can. There we go. Not going to be perfect. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this section over here below. Drag it a bit up. And as you can see, we can now have a 3D pop-up effect with our image over here. So it's very simple, very straightforward. It could be a different output every time depending on how you adjust your curves. But as you can see, we were able to effectively create a 3D popping up effect over here. So now the final step is to click on share, click on download, and simply download the photo that you have. So to be able to do this and utilize all the features that we have just used, click the link in the description below for a free 30-day free trial for Canva Pro. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.